Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the new palette from BH Cosmetics in collaboration with Daisy Marquez. This is a 20 pan palette that retails for $23. It did launch at $19, but it was for a limited time. But you can use Daisy's code to save 10% off, which is just the code Daisy. I'll have the link and the code down below for those that are interested. So the packaging of this palette is very unique. It's a laminated cardboard palette. It's Tiffany blue with the metallic silver bow along with their signature. The packaging is a bit bulky, but it's so much smaller than what I pictured it. Instead of this having your traditional palette packaging, this one has a detachable lid that stands on the palette to mimic a vanity. If you decide to close the palette, the mirror itself does have a magnet to keep the lid from falling off, and it also includes a good quality mirror. The eyeshadows in the palette are mini pans, the type of pans you find in ColourPop eyeshadow palettes or in MAC 9 pan palettes. So out of the 20 eyeshadows, 10 are mattes and 10 are shimmers. The way they are laid out in the palette, the top 2 rows are mattes and the bottom are the shimmers. For the performance of the eyeshadows, the mattes were pretty pigmented and blended easily. They did have kick up and fallout. The shades Daisy and Flowers were sheer, so you do have to build them up. I do recommend using the dark base to help them show up more. For the shimmers, they were all very creamy. These are the type of shimmers that get flaky if you apply too much. My opinion on these shimmers is I felt they were too many light shades, which will be harder for deeper skin tones to use. The shades I'm referring to are Stunt, Icy, Angelic, and Lust. Overall, I like this palette aside from the light shimmers. If you like BH Cosmetics eyeshadows, or if you're a fan of Daisy, I definitely recommend it. I don't think it's an expensive palette for $23. I also don't know if it's limited edition. I couldn't find anything that stated if it was or wasn't. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.